Hello everyone, today we have a 2011 Cadillac CTS V. It's a four-door sedan. It has a supercharged engine, obviously. I love how clean the compartment is in this one. It does have a metallic flake to the paint. And 19-inch black wheels. It's a Black Diamond CTS V Special Edition. That's an extra $4,850 when you buy it new. It has the leather seats and the suede sunroof. And that's power Ultraview Double-Sized, tilt sliding, all that kind of fun stuff. So let's go ahead and just show you the interior. These back seats have the suede right here. And all black leather. This folds down into a armrest and cup holder. These do have wooden accents right here. It's your driver presets, your window and door controls. These are the racing Recaro seats. They just wrap around you and enhance the experience. This is a leather wrapped dash. You can see that we have 70,519 miles. It says I'm not buckled up, which I'm not for the sake of this video. Here are your steering wheel controls for your cruise control, your push to talk. Here's your interface. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and turn it back on again so that you can see what it looks like when it comes up. Push this button right here. That'll come up. It's your radio, AM, FM, XM. We can go to navigation. So down here you have your audio controls. Like I say, this is for up and down. This is for your suspension. Down here we have your navigation and your other controls. Let's see, we have your comfort right here, and this is your heated or cooled seats. You also have a power supply in here, park brake, cup holders, your key fob. You have another power supply inside there. It does have the Bose sound system, the leather on the dash. Absolutely fun car. So there's your Cadillac CTS. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.